about the way. If you listen to the song to find the answer, for Jesus is the truth, the life, the way. There's a song for the man who walked the water, and there's a song